Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change your WhatsApp text font to bold or italic. If you want to change your font style to bold or italic, if you want to write any bold or italic font, then here are the process. Go to your text field and here type any word, and now we will see how to change this font as italic or bold. Simply starting of the word, type underscore this underscore, and at the end of the word type underscore, and you can see your word is now italic. If you want to change its font to bold, then simply type a start in the starting of the word, and also at the end of the word type star, and you can see your font, your word, typed word is now bold. So you can easily change your font to bold or italic. If you want to both the signs, bold plus italic, then simply type star and underscore on the both side of the word, and you can see your word will now successfully changed to bold or italic. Now we will see how to change a special stylish word cut in between the word, a cross line in between the word. Choose this hyphen starting and end of the word, and you can see a single cut line will create in your desired word. So you can easily change your font, your word font, typed word in your WhatsApp text to bold, italic and other stylish font.